Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and today, guys, I'm going to be taking a look and flying one of the newer style toothpicks. This is the Diatone GTB 229 toothpick style little quad, and so far I'm pretty impressed with it. I haven't gotten a chance to fly it. I kind of hovered it in the house really quick just to make sure everything was working, but other than that I haven't had a chance because the weather has been horrible, but it should be good and we should be able to get out and fly it today. So I'm not going to do an unboxing because basically there's lots of them out there, but I just kind of wanted to showcase it and then we'll fly it and so you guys can make a good decision. I've been kind of on the fence about getting a toothpick, and I'm not one to adopt and jump on hype trains, so I've been waiting and waiting, and finally I saw this one and a lot of people liked it, give it good reviews. Even people I know have this one, so let's take a look at it. Here's what it looks like from the front, from the side, and then from the back, and then the bottom. So at first I thought this was actually made out of steel or like aluminum or something, but it's actually just really good carbon fiber. So that's kind of cool, and I really like this TPU mount. They made it really nice. So inside you do have it's the Mamba mini stack. It's the F411 nano stack. And then it's got the Mamba 134 nano ESC stack, which is kind of cool. The camera is a Runcam Nano 2, and then also for your VTX, which is surprising, and this was actually the real reason that I purchased this, was because normally with these little quads, they normally just put in like kind of crappy VTXs, but they put a really good one in here. They put in actually a TBS Team Black Sheep Nano Pro 32. So that's a freaking phenomenal VTX. And then of course for my receiver, I just used one of my FR Sky XM Pluses. I haven't got any tubing yet, so I'm going to do that. But basically got it bound and soldered up, and it's ready to go right out of the frickin' box. The motors that it is running on, it's got the Mamba 1103, and these are the 8500 kV motors. And then they give you these small HQ props, these bi-blades, which are kind of cool. I'm trying to see if I can see the lettering on it. It's too small for me to read, guys, sorry, but you can look it up on the different websites and stuff like that. I just kind of wanted to, and you get an XT30 plug connector as well, so, and then that's where your batteries go. So this little guy, it does run on 2S, 3S, and I've heard somewhere you can put it on 4S, but I don't know if I would want to do a 4S on this. I've gotten a few different batteries to test out on this. So I got a GNB, I got a 350, 100C, I've got a GNB 300, 160C, and then I also got a 2S 300. So I'm going to test 3S and I'm going to test 2S, and I'm going to see you know, which one gives better performance, which one I think is better. So got all these batteries off of Amazon, except for this one I bought at Full Send FPV, my sponsor. So you can check them out if you want. They've got plenty of these batteries in stock for you guys. So yeah, so that's about it. So yeah, I'm really super impressed with this so far. The other thing I might do is I might get rid of this dipole and I might order a different UFL, probably get like an Axie or maybe a Foxy or a Lollipop, put that in place. So change that out. And again, I'm going to get some those plastic little poles to put in here to protect the antennas, but just something to at least get it out of the box and get it out and flying for you guys, so you can kind of make a decision if you like this. This again, I was not sent this to review. I bought this with my own money. Here's what it looks like out of the box. It's pretty nice. I like it. It's really super light, and again, it's gotten really good reviews. The other thing I want to test too is I do have some smaller 3-bladed props, so I might try those out as well, just to see. But this is stock right out of the box. I have not changed any of the PIDs. I have not changed any of the rates. This is all stock right out of the box, so I have not changed anything at all. Normally with my builds, I would normally put my rates and my PIDs on there. So I'm just going to be doing a whole bunch of testing. I may even reflash this to Emu Flight just to test it out, see if it's any better. But first I want to check the stock rates and PIDs and everything like that to see how it flies. So that's all for at least taking out and showing it to you guys. So let's go ahead and go outside and let's fly this little bad boy around. All right, guys, so here we are, we're outside. I'm actually on the parking lot of the Full Send FPV, and we're gonna go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna fly it on the 2S first, and then I'll fly it on a 3S, and I'll tell you guys what I prefer.
Many miles away from home, steps were difficult, I'm exhausted, but I did not fall. I hope something good is coming up. Free like a bird, but also bounded, and my footsteps on the ground. I raise my head, listen to the sound. I'm happy with what I have found. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe. No one ever told me how hard it's gonna be. My way is full of branches, like the roots of a tree. Where should I go from here? I need a good advice. The elders waiting for me at sunrise. I'm in the prison, open doors, 10 directions on the floor. I lose my mind, lose my sight. Tell me how I'm gonna win this fight. Just breathe.
Alright guys, so that was the maiden flight of the Diatone GTB 229 toothpick. And I gotta admit, it flies pretty good. I do need to do a little bit of tuning. It's a little bit wobbly, but I will definitely get it locked in, but it's a lot of fun to fly. Definitely. It flies a lot different from a 5-inch. Not too horribly different. You can definitely tell it's smaller, but it's a lot of fun to fly. 2S was okay. It had power. It seemed a little lackluster, but with 3S, 3S I think is the sweet spot for sure. I ran a 300 and a 350, and the 350 seemed to give me that punch and that extra power that I really liked a lot. And the video was really nice and good and smooth. It's only at 25, so I can bump it up just to see how it does. But other than that, it flies really, really, really fun. And it's really cold, so my hands are kind of shaking a little bit. But other than that, yeah, I definitely give this a 2 thumbs up. This is a fun little flyer. So if you're looking into getting into something like kind of beginning, definitely this is something fun to get. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Thank you again for hanging out. And as always, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day.